This is Naeem Kiani from Eoscl, and mashallah, we're part of Toronto 360 as well. So what we are doing today, it's a sponsor and media meet and greet for sponsors and the captains who are coming here. So that's what we're going to do today. We'll introduce sponsors, we'll introduce team captains to each other, and it's going to mingle out each other as well. So it's going to be to start our ESCL. This is the first event where we are going to start with. We'll have a quick dinner with them as well. So this is how we are going towards to start USCL. USCL is 4-year-old now, and this event is to make USCL in such a way that it's going to be in a different world. So enjoy USCL as we go. We are starting our USCL program on Toronto 360 as well, which is going to be every week with the Sports Roundup, where we'll update about the teams and their statuses as well. So keep watching Toronto 360 and keep watching USCL.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम to all viewers. यहाँ पर हम लोग यहाँ पे हमारा इवेंट चल रहा है. हमने पैरामाउंट में मीडिया ब्रीफिंग फॉर EOCL सीज़न 4 हम कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे माशाल्लाह बड़ी रौनक है, और आज हम लोग अपने स्पॉन्सर्स को इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं जिन्होंने इस सीज़न को स्पॉन्सर किया है, और हमारे जो भी फ्रेंड्स हैं जो हमेशा से हमारे साथ रहे हैं वो भी आज हमारे साथ हमारे दरम्यान में मौजूद हैं. सो आप लोग इंशाल्लाह देखेंगे बहुत अच्छा सीज़न होगा. इसमें वी आर ग्रोइंग एवरी ईयर एक्सपोनेंशियली, और इंशाल्लाह अब यहाँ इस साल भी आप लोग प्रोग्रेस देखेंगे.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम मुबशिर है और मैं इवेंट ओंटारियो की टीम का एक हिस्सा हूँ, एंड आई एम अ प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ EOCL. और अभी यहाँ पे हमारी जो है वो मीडिया ब्रीफिंग चल रही है अबाउट आवर लीग EOCL, जो कि स्टार्ट हो रही है जून 15, 2019 से शेरवुड पार्क में. तो ये प्रोग्राम जो है टोरंटो 360 पे हम लोग रात में जो है वो प्रोग्राम भी होगा अबाउट आवर लीग. उसमें सारी प्रेजेंटेशन होगी, जो भी पूरे वीक की प्रेजेंटेशन है कि किस टीम ने कितना स्कोर किया और उसकी स्टैंडिंग क्या है, वो सारी चीज़ें जो है वो उस प्रोग्राम में होंगी. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू वॉच that program in Toronto 360. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Counselor Samira Ali, and I'm here at the media launch event for EOSCL, run by Naeem here, and I'm here to support my team. It's Team Ali. Our captain is here. He's promoting our team, and you are going to hear first from me that Team Ali is going to win this series. I'm excited to meet my sponsors, my team sponsors. I'm excited to see my team colors and the shirt. And I encourage everybody to come out and watch the series when it starts. And I want to congratulate all of my other teams and their leaders and their captains. But I also apologize to them because we will win. Thank you.
We're here for the kickoff of the next season of EOSCL, the cricket league here in the town of Milton. We're so excited to be here. My name is Mike Cluett. I'm a regional counselor for Ward 3 in the southern part of Milton, and we're looking forward to another incredible season of action, of cricket, and a fellowship here in the town of Milton. We have so many teams. The crew here at EOSCL has done a fantastic job lining up teams and people and players and sponsors, as you can see here tonight. And we're really looking forward to having a great season. A lot of rivalries are going to start happening between some of the team captains. As we've heard here tonight, Councillor Ali is pledging victory for her team, and Team Cluett's doing the exact same thing. So we're so happy to be here, so happy for Paramount, so happy for all of our sponsors here today. This is a great way of bringing the community together here in the town of Milton, and we're so looking forward to continuing on another great season here for the EOSCL.
All right, thank you so very much for being here. You all are very precious for us, and thank you so very much for all being here. So first of all, before we start, big round of applause for all of you guys. Thank you. Thank you. All right, so EOSCL, we are in the 4th season of EOSCL, and I'm seeing a lot of folks who have been with us since season 1. So whoever been with us since season 1, you have understood and you know that how much we have grown so far. and what we have done in past 3 years, which we are going to implement this year as well. So thank you for all who have been with us since season 1, and without you and your support, this would not be possible. So thank you so very much. Really appreciate that. As you, like some of you who are new here, so EOSCL is Event Ontario Softball Cricket League. We started that in 2016 with 8 teams in total, and idea was to bring community together through the game of cricket by introducing the sport in Milton. So that was the first thing what we started. Then we asked, we asked for Town of Milton councillors' support so that they can join USCL by giving out their name and part of it. And they have done this so well that without their support, we would not be able to be here as well. So we started in 2016 with 8 teams. 2017, we moved from 8 till 12 teams and 18. And this year, we will have 17 teams in total. So technically, we have grown 100% from 2016. So it's a big milestone what we have achieved so far, and it's just because of all you guys. Thank you. Now, before we go further, USCL is not without having a good team. So I'm very lucky and very honored to have such a great team what we have, and we have put together not only USCL as one of the event, but other events as well. So I would like to introduce Azhar Akbari. He is our technical architect for the Event Ontario and has done websites and scorers. You all have seen him doing scoring in past seasons as well. So big round of applause to Azhar Akbari. Thank you so very much for being here. Mubashir, you all know, he's the president of USCL, and technically he's the one who brought all of us together in order to get the cricket go and all. And he's the one who made sure that we, as a team, and all other team get together and then work together, and then we go from there. So thank you, Mubashir, for being the part of it. I would like to call upon Mike Cluett and Samir Ali to become here and say a few words about what do you think about USCL and how do you want this to grow as well. So big round of applause to these two. What do you think about USCL as USCL, and how do you envision your team to be participate in season 4? So.
Thanks very much for being here. This is an incredible occasion because of the growth of this organization. Naeem came to us in 2016, said, and this is what always scares me, I have an idea. And when he has an idea, it's usually not a small one, it's usually a really big one. And again, he started off with the 6 teams, and now we've grown into 17 teams. And he's already told me about the new big idea that he's working on. And I don't know how he does it, but he does it. This brings our community together. We, as a town, are continuing to grow. We're trying to, as a community, as a town, do our best to provide for the diversity in this community as well. But we found that cricket is one of those sports that unites everybody from all over the world. And we have the one cricket pitch up in Sherwood Park. There's another one coming, and I think there's a third one already in the planning. Because of the growth of cricket, this is going to be one of the top sports here in the town of Milton. So with organizations like this, your youth camps over the last couple of years have been very successful. So we're starting them young. We're going to bring them up, and we're going to bring our community together with the game of cricket. And I'm always happy to be part of it. I've learned a lot. As you can tell, I'm probably not your stereotypical cricket player. That's okay, you can laugh.
Tell him you played as well.
When he told me some of the rules, like, you know, when you hit the ball and the ball goes, I asked, can I tackle the person going back and forth? But thanks very much for coming out. Looking forward to a great season. Hope to see you all there, and have a great night.
What do you think about USCL? Because you have seen USCL in the past as well, and when we spoke about how to bring you into the community and how to bring you in as part of the USCL. So what is your opinion about that?
I absolutely love it. I have been to a few matches. I have cheered on the boys, as it is called. And I want to thank you first, Naeem, for doing this, because I don't know, a lot of people don't know this, but I've been pestering him for years. Naeem, come on, get me involved. And he's like, Samira, we're working on it. I said, okay, maybe I'll have to win an election to get on it. So I won an election, and here I am. Yeah.
That's true.
I'm happy to be in charge of Team Ali. and I just want my colleague to know he's going to lose. Team Ali will win. So congratulations to my sponsors, Toronto 360 and Paramount Milton, for choosing the winning team. Thank you.
All right. So as we are talking about Team Ali, so I would like to invite captain of Team Ali and Ali Bhai from Paramount. So big round of applause to these two. So just so you know, Ali Bhai has given us a lot of boost up in last year as well, and he was part of Team Ali last year, and he's part of Team Ali this year as well. So thank you so very much. And Deb has led the team last year, and he's going to lead the team this year as well, along with Toronto 360, because they are as part of the Team Ali as well. So thank you so very much, guys. So before you go, we have some shirts and some token of appreciation for you guys. So we're going to give it out to you. And Ali Bhai, do you need to say something about how EOSCL has grown? And we have seen you in one of our EOSCL video as well, right? So what do you think about it?
Look at this winning team.
Yeah, we're right here. So we can take the winning picture right now, Samira. This is us right here. Okay, if you guys want to see. No, it's. I'm new to the community, so I want to say thank you to everyone, and we love to be partners with a growing concept like this. And thank you guys for coming in. Let's see more of each other. Anything to do with the community, Paramount's there to be partners. Thank you very much for this opportunity, Naeem. Thank you, sir. And proud to be, it's Ali.
Yeah.
You know, it's Ali.
Yeah.
It is Ali.
There is a connection, yeah.
Yeah.
My 2 cents actually by thank you to EOCL management that the way they bring the community together, and I really enjoyed last year, and definitely I'm looking forward to the next tournament. Thank you.
Thank you so very much. If you want to show the shirts to these, that would be also awesome as well. But this is how we have your TV, Toronto 360, right? We'll get it a bit. All right, so that's Team Ali, right? So that's how it color there. All right, thank you so very much, guys. Okay, that's Mike Kluet. So this is Mike Kluet, is right here. So that's a Team Kluet. And so here we go. That's Mike Kluet right there. That's Mike. So I'm gonna call you again, Mike. All right. So now. We have another team coming up. Thanks, buddy. So Mustafiz Bhai was with us with Team Dual last year, and they decided to come up with their own team. And this is what we are. So Mustafiz Bhai, what do you think about to bring up your own team now?
First of all, I would like to thank, EOCL management. Last year was my first year with the league, and I had a great fun. We got to know that there are a lot of competition. Like these teams who are competing in the tournament, they have very good skill sets. So we decided next year when the season will start, we will bring our own team. This will bring us the more control on the team. We can be more competitive in the season, and that is what we decided. And I actually asked my company where I work. I asked them if they can give us the sponsorship for the team, and they were willing to do it. So that is where we are.
Sure.
Hello, good evening, everyone. Thank you. So, on behalf of Amcan Bearing Company, we are proud to sort of sponsor this event. Our team has performed pretty well in the last season, and this time around we're more excited because we have sponsored this team, and this team will be playing under the banner of Amcan Bearing. I've heard a lot about this event. I really didn't get enough time last year to follow up, but this time around we'll definitely we'll follow this up match by match, ball by ball. And we're looking forward for an exciting competition. And thank you very much for inviting us over. And we're looking for a healthy competition from all of you. Thank you.
Well, thank you so very much. And so, thank you so very much. So we'll thank you so very much. All right. So the next team. All right. So this team started with us last year. Most of these players are from Burlington, and they have given a very good fight to some of the players, some of the teams last year. So I would like to request Adil Bhai and captain of team, alternate striker, to please come over. Adil Bhai is not new to USCL. He has been with us since season 1, and he has done some umpiring in season 1 as well. So Adil Bhai.
Thank you very much to give me and my company an opportunity to be a part of this great event. And not only that, I would like to say that you are the person who gave this game a boost in Milton. Not only Milton, but I would say the whole GTA. Because most of our colleagues or our friends who born here, they don't know about cricket. But now, if you talk with someone, they know, yeah, we know something was happening somewhere in the ground. We went there and the ground was already booked. And we saw that few individuals are playing, okay, they were playing cricket. So I feel so good about that this is I don't say it's it's a Pakistani national game, but it is the most popular game in Pakistan. We grew up playing this game in streets, and we love to see this now is happening around us, and the credit goes to Naeem Bhai. Naeem Bhai, thank you.
Thank you so very much. Well, thank you so very much. And we have captain from alternate striker.
Let me just clarify. I'm not the captain of the team. It's just my captain wouldn't be able to make it today. So he has some errands to run. So I'm just presenting on behalf of my team. This would be our second season, and we are super excited. We made it to quarterfinal last year. And again, we'll probably pull it off this time around. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. So we have some token of appreciation for Adil Bhai. Right, so thank you so very much, Adil Bhai, for being with us, and we're really looking forward to have both of you as part of the league as well.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you. Big round of applause to these guys, folks. Very good, very good. Mike Lid was here, and I would like to request Mike Lid to come back again. Right. So Team Cluet, as we have just spoken about, has been with us since season 1. Done pretty well, being a champion once, right, and probably will be champion this year as well. Here we go, right? And so when we try to get sponsorship, and when we were talking to different companies, there was one company who said that no matter what, we are part of this USCL, and just let us know how you want us to help you. So Peak Producer Group, I have one of the representative, Khurram, as part of the Peak Producer Group, and they are being part of the Team Cluet as well. So big round of applause. So, Khurram Bhai, first of all, thank you so very much. I believe when I came to you, you said, no matter what, we are part of USCL. So what do you think about the game, and what do you think about USCL so far, whatever you heard?
Thank you very much, first of all, for inviting us here. And we are very happy that this year, like the first time in the last 4 years, we are the part of the Event Ontario Softball League. Naeem Bhai came to us, and in fact, we called him that we wanted to be a part of this event this year, and this is the way, like he told us, like you can participate in that. We can't play because of the health, we can't play. So in this way we can just participate in the event. So everyone, like we are very excited to be the part of the Event Ontario, and inshallah our team will win this year again.
That's
Am I right?
Absolutely.
Inshallah. Thank you very much for being here.
All right, so we have some token of appreciation for you. These are shirts, plaques, and certificates. So thank you so very much, guys. Thank you very much. Thanks. Big round of applause to these guys, folks. Very well done. As we said, that there are a lot of counselors who are part of USCL, and in our last election, there are a couple of new counselors who came on board in the in the election as well. So Samira was one of them, and there was another counselor. His name is John Shellner. He's not here today, but he was very supportive to be part of USCL. And I would like to request one of the representatives from Team Shellner to please come over, right, and say a few words. What do you think about? And Team Shellner has been sponsored by Milton FM. So Laura, if you would like to just come over. Big round of applause to Milton FM and one of our representatives from Team Shellner. So Khurram Bhai, you came in, we spoke, you gave a trial. So what do you think about USCL? You heard about USCL before you came in, right?
Just Naeem Bhai mentioned that this is my first year in the team, and to join the EGL, I'm very excited to looking forward. I heard a lot about this league, and I never had a chance to participate. But this year I saw the trial is happening, so I went to Naeem and I said, Naeem, you know what? I'd like to join the team. He told me to come for the trial, and we went for the trial. It's a long story, but we all really looking forward to the season, and hopefully that our team will become a champion this year. But we'll try our level best to be there where we're supposed to be, inshallah. Thank you very much once again.
We would like to present this to Milton FM, so if you could please hand over. And thank you so very much, Milton FM, to be part of it. Thank you so very much. So another team who is joining us this year, they have been playing in Mississauga and other parts of GTA as well. And when they came in, they asked us for like how do we get involved in USCL, and we chat with them, and they are part of USCL now. So I would like to request Captain from GTA Commando to please come over and say a few words. So Captain from GTA Commando is. What do you think about USCL? You probably heard before you came in, right? So what do you think about USCL, and how are you going to participate in this year based on the team what you are bringing in?
First of all, thank you to Naeem Bhai, who really encouraged us to give us the opportunity to be part in USCL. So that's why we put our team in this year. So wish you all the very best to everybody, and may the best team win.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. All right, so last year there was one team who started with the lower division group. They played very well. They came to the finals, and they didn't be able to come up with the final. But they are part of the premier group. So I would like to invite captain from Team Falcons to please come over and say a few words. So I don't see your sponsor right now, but anyways, you can come over. Team Falcons. So what do you think about USL? So just so you know, Saeed Bhai has been playing with us since season 1, right? All right. So since season 1, and he have been switched teams into different. Just watch the camera, right? So Saeed Bhai, what do you think about USCL so far and your journey so far?
Well, I think it's been going great. I think I've been with you guys since, when was that first year? I think 2016? Yes. So I think I've witnessed this EOSL tournament growing quite well. And I think every year they try to bring in some new ideas. They try to implement those ideas. I mean, there's always shortcomings. Regardless, I mean, I think they're trying their best to make us as much improvement as possible, and I think I can certainly witness here that they have evolved quite significantly, and I think they're doing quite well. So kudos to you and your effort, and I think I will go on further going forward. Thank you.
Thank you, Saeed Bhai. Thank you so very much. All right, so another team who is with us since 2016, and that was one of the team which we brought them in season 1, and they have been playing since season 1 onwards. So I would like to request captain from or representation from Team Gladiator and the sponsor HMC Connection of Babar Bhai. Babar Bhai, please come over. Big round of applause for these guys. Now, just to introduce Babar, he's part of HMC Connection, and it's one of the NGO in Milton and in Burlington, right? And they support new immigrants who come to Canada, so they support them very heavily. So, Babar Bhai, tell us something about HMC Connection, and I believe you're one of the event is coming up as well, right?
Thank you so much, Naeem, for giving the opportunity, and thank you to Azhar Bhai and Mubashir for organizing such, I think, community event. The only way to bring the community together is through sport. And HMC is very lucky to be part of this event. Our agency is funded by the federal and provincial government, helping newcomers and new Canadians to understand your rights and responsibilities. And for the first time ever, we are going to organize one of the biggest multicultural event in Milton, which is Multiculturalism Day on Friday, June 28. So mark your calendar, come with your friends and family. You don't need to bring your passport, but you can visit more than 25 countries in one spot. And this year, I'm sure, I think that they're great. I think other teams that they have been champion. But this year, I think since the community is behind this team, they're going to win.
Good evening, everyone. So, first of all, thank you, Naeem and USL management for organizing such a nice event. as he said, like we have been part of the USCL from the 2016, and this is our fourth season. And we have been consistently doing good throughout the season. We haven't made it to final, but yeah, our team is pretty new and we are trying our best. So yeah, we're looking for the healthy competition and yeah, looking forward for the games.
So, Babar bhai, we have some token of appreciation for you. So we got some shirts and plaques and certificate as well. So, oh please. All right, so Team Gladiator, guys. There we go. Very well done. Thank you so very much, guys. I don't see the owner of this team, and I believe Mike Cluett is missing him as well. All right, so this team again started in 2016, switched from one point to another. Now they are in Premier, and it's very well organized team, and it's been done pretty well since past 3 seasons. And I hope in season 4 they're gonna come up with something different as well. So I would like to invite captain from Team Hamid and sponsor from Team Hamid, which is Sam Jabbar. Big round of applause for this guy. So just so you know about Sam bhai, again, I went to him. He said, I would like to be part of USCL. He was with part of USCL last year with a different company, but now he has his own real estate agency. So Sam bhai, tell us something about your real estate.
First of all, I just want to let everyone know all my players, all the team members, and the counselor is in the grounds right now practicing because we are taking the cup just like last year. So sorry for that, but I have to break the news for everyone out here. And
I like you a lot, Sam. I like you a lot.
It's a mutual respect, Mike. Mutual respect. I can see dog poo all over the place now. So I'm very glad to be part of this year again. Naeem bhai have done an awesome job. He's bringing communities together, cities together with this EOSL. I'm very grateful to be part of this and looking forward for next year, and we will be taking the cup. So no hard feelings once again.
All right, so Basharat has been with us for past 3 years. So Basharat, your team, you, and how you are approaching this year.
Mike, you're looking nice in the runners-up t-shirt. And so hopefully we're going to take the cup this year that, like we have been trying hard. Before we were in the division and then, like we topped the division and then, become the part of the Premier. And we lost a match, final match. And before that, like we lost against Kuwait. And the Zishan came to me saying that, like what's going on? That, you have to beat Kuwait. No matter what, that, like if you lose the cup, I don't care. Just beat the Mike Kuwait. And, like the next match we beat. And, like it has been a great experience. And so, like my players, they come all over GTA, not even GTA, that, like far east and far west as well. And then, like whenever they announce the season, so people start reaching out to me saying that, like we want to be the part of your team and the event as well. So, like it has been a great experience and I'm looking forward to it as well.
Awesome. So we have some token of appreciation for Sam bhai. So Sam bhai, please have some. And then thank you so very much for being part of USCL. You can show your shirt for sure.
Thinking of buying, selling, or investing in real estate, whether it be residential, commercial, or pre-construction, Arshad Bhatti and his team of professionals can help. We have guaranteed allocations in high-rise and low-rise pre-construction projects in and around the GTA. Call Arshad Bhatti at 416-300-5600. That's 416-300-5600 or register at arshadbhatti.com.
उरूज फाइनेंशियल के जाहिद सैयद लाए आपके फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स के लिए ट्रैवल एंड विजिटर्स इंश्योरेंस जो दे आपको बेस्ट प्लान एट बेस्ट प्राइस, महाना पेमेंट्स प्लान फॉर सुपर वीजा इंश्योरेंस और क्लेम में मदद, आपके बेहतर मुस्तकबिल की जमानत।
उरूज फाइनेंशियल,
उरूज फाइनेंशियल के जाहिद सैयद लाए आपके मॉर्गेज डेट के लिए लाइफ इंश्योरेंस एंड इन केस ऑफ डिसेबिलिटी मंथली पेमेंट प्लान, जो आपकी फैमिली को दे बेनिफिट, ना कि आपके बैंक को। आपके बेहतर मुस्तकबिल की जमानत।
उरूज फाइनेंशियल।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, अल बरका ट्रैवल को खुदा के बाद आपने बनाया आज का नंबर 1 उम्रा एजेंट इन कनाडा। उम्रा की बेहतरीन सर्विसेज, ताकि आप मुकम्मल इत्मीनान के साथ तमाम मनासिक अदा कर सकें।
Assalamu alaikum. If you're planning to perform Umrah or you want to visit your back home to see your loved ones, please call Al Barka Travels.
अल बरका ट्रैवल अपने निहायत मुनासिब यानी मोस्ट अफोर्डेबल उम्रा पैकेजेस के साथ अभी कॉल करें at 905-232-6566।
मैं पढ़ने के साथ साथ अपनी अम्मी के साथ काम भी करती हूँ, जैसे कि मेरी अम्मी घरों में काम जाके करती हैं, इसी तरह मैं भी काम करती हूँ।
हम दोनों को पढ़ने का बहुत शौक़ है। हमारे अब्बू का इंतकाल हो गया है, इसकी वजह से हम अपने घर की गुर्बत को ख़त्म करना चाहते हैं। मुस्लिम वेलफेयर स्कूल सेंटर हमारी बहुत मदद करता है, पढ़ाई में भी फ्री तालीम भी देते हैं और साथ साथ राशन भी देते हैं, किताबें, यूनिफॉर्म सब फ्री।
Muslim Welfare Center. Service to humanity is service to Allah.
Injuries not only impact you, but also people around you. Life is better than this. Let's get your life back. The injury lawyers at Alam Law will use their years of experience to handle your claim so that you can focus on your recovery. And remember, you don't pay until we win. Alam Law.
Good one, guys. Good one. All right.
They're going to get real dirty.
All right. Another team started with us in season 3, did good overall, and now they are coming back with the bang and with different team and different players altogether. I would like to invite Team MSA to please come over, and their sponsors as well. So Team MSA, please come over. All right, so Fakhar Bhai, again, Fakhar Bhai has been with us since 2016 in different teams, and then he decided to bring up his own team. So Fakhar Bhai, what new this year?
As compared to previous, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, as compared to previous year, we actually in a rush to build a team, but this year we have a lot of time. Time to build some. Yeah. So this year we have a lot of time to build a good team, and also we have a good sponsor with us. And it's all with the sponsors. If you have good sponsors and good sponsorship, and then you can get a good players. So I think I am hoping that we will produce some good results this year.
Sure. So let's find out your sponsor. So Kamran Bhai, I know, he's been with the community for such a longer time, and he's been part of a different organization as well. So Kamran Bhai, what's bring you to USCL?
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'd like to thank you, Naeem, and Event Ontario to attend this wonderful event, and proud to sponsor a winning team. So our hopes are very high. So I don't know where my team members are, but wish you all the best. and our Halton Medics Medical Clinic is looking forward to sponsor in coming years. And thank you very much, Naeem.
Thank you. And Azhar So Azhar you have been, I believe, with us last year as well, right? So what do you think about being with a Team MSA, and now what is new coming up to Team MSA, and what is your business in that way as well?
First of all, thank you very much for giving us the opportunity. I mean, hats off to you guys. You have actually taken it to another level, which is very nice. And we don't really care much about the cup, I guess. Team Mike, and Sammy. These are the two teams we're looking for.
Okay, here's where you got the competition right there. So we are bringing a lot of competition here. So very good. So we have some token of appreciation for both of you. So thank you so very much for being part of USCL, and we wish you best of luck in the future. So thank you so very much. Thank you. All right, so this is Team MSA, Halton Medics and Azhar Sheikh. Big round of applause to these guys. All right. All right, so again, I'm inviting other, they have been with the Team Di Lorenzo, and this year they thought that they should bring up their own team, which is why you don't see Rick today, right? So Team Toronto Titans, please come over along with your sponsors. And big round of applause to these folks. Ali Bhai has been with us since 2016, and he has done tremendous job running Team Di Lorenzo, but now he has planned to bring up his own. So Ali Bhai, what do you think to bring up your own team this year?
So thank you, Naeem Bhai, first, and thank you all the participants. Just like Naeem Bhai said, I'm part of the USCL from the very first season. We were part of Rick's team, Di Lorenzo team, for the past 3 years, but this year some of our friends left us, so we decided to introduce our own team. It's a mix of young and some experienced, very talented players, so I'm not going to make any predictions, but hopefully we will do good, and it will be a healthy competition. My sponsors are actually my very good friends. We are together for the past 30 years, since our undergrads. And Kamran here, I'll let them introduce
themselves. Yes, please,
Yeah.
Kamran Bhai, introduce yourself.
Hi, this is Kamran from Remix Wine Properties. We are very excited to help our friend Nomi from the last 30 years. And our one of Salman is over there.
So basically, Kamran is a very known Remix broker. Mostly in Mississauga, but expanding our business in Milton. And Salman is a CPA accountant. We just opened recently, we moved from a Mississauga location to next to Iqbal Foods. So we have the accounting office there. One of my sponsors is actually missing. He's my cousin. He has a construction company, so they do a lot of work in all over GTA, including Milton. They specialize in insulation and other construction activities. So I'll just like to say, Sulaiman, a few words, please.
Thank you. My name is Sulaiman, and as Ali has already introduced myself, so I wish you best of luck in the matches, and I think so you have a very strong team.
Thank you.
So we have some token of appreciation for you guys. All right, so this is for Kamran Bhai. And he said, yeah, please show your shirt. All right, so this is Toronto Titans, guys. Very nice color, very well done. Awesome color. So, all right, so now we are moving to our next team. All right, so again, some of the members for this team here, which I'm inviting right now, they have been with us since season 1, and they have done tremendously well throughout, and they are part of season 4 as well. So I would like to call upon Ravi from Team Lions Club to come here and say a few words about his team and the sponsors he's bringing in. So Ravi, what do you think?
Thank you, Naim, Mubashi, and Asaf for putting this together. So, yeah, so some familiar faces from season 1 here. And thank you guys for doing this. And as most of the other guys said, this has been going from strength to strength, which is good to see. And so we are happy to be a part of this. And my only ask from you guys is try and bring some spectators when you're coming for the game. Don't make it a boys' game. Okay, so, yeah, exactly. Yeah, so, so it's cricket is becoming more and more popular. So first when I came to Milton in 2009, cricket was unheard of. So it's good to see that you all have done such a great job. Thank you very much. And our intention is to play the game hard. Let's see who wins. Let the best team wins. Mike has good hopes, but never materializes. But anyway, let's see, Mike.
Mike, everybody is picking on you, man. There's something is going wrong.
Sorry, guys. I'm not the captain of the team, nor am I the sponsor, but both cannot be here, so I'm just a representative.
Okay, so tell us something about your sponsors. Who are part of your team?
We have 3 sponsors, for obvious reasons, all 3 cannot be here. So we have a Certified Institute of Management Accountants of Canada sponsoring us, and also a real estate agent, Supipa, and also Dr. Tavares. So all 3 cannot make it, so I'm the representative, and I thank all of them because those 3 sponsored us last year too.
Okay, so we have some token of appreciation for all those 3 sponsors, so you can hand them over to them. So thank you so very much. So thanks, Ravi. Thank you so very much. All right, so another team came in last year and did pretty well throughout the tournament, and now they're coming again in season 4. So team, the sports guys, Yunus Bhai and your sponsor, please come over. So Yunus Bhai has been with us since last year, and they have done pretty well. Their team was done and gave a very good matches throughout the season. So what do you think about this year and what's new this year?
Well, first of all, I would like to thank everybody, the players, team captains, management, and the key to every event, which are sponsors. One of my sponsor, Amir, is with me here. The other sponsor we have got is the ZOC, which they have got a location in Milton as well and one in Mississauga. So that's it, and definitely going to give some good competition to all the teams, and we'll definitely put up something good for you guys. So please come and see us while everybody is playing to support this great sport and to support everybody who is basically trying to manage this event. Thank you very much.
All right, good. So Amir Bhai, you have been with us this year for the very first time. Have you heard about Eoscl before?
Honestly, yes, I did. I've a couple of other friends. Sorry, a couple of my other friends also be playing in the Eoscl. Sorry,
you'll get to it. You'll get to it.
No, I'm really excited to be part of this event. Congratulations to you and your team. You've done a wonderful job. I can see that. This is my first year. Excited to be here and hoping to continue sponsoring Team Spartan. We'll do our best to give tough competition to everyone here. I think the key thing here is obviously we're here to sports and bring the community together. Whoever wins, congratulations to them. But the key message here, I think we need to be together like we are right now, and hoping to see and grow this, to see this event grow even further. And
definitely. And thank you so very much for being part of it. So we have some token of appreciation along with your shirt. So if you can have that and show your shirt to the audience as well. All right, so team, the sport guys. One of the best color they got. All right, big round of applause to team, the sports guys. Very good. But not least for now, which is why we put this team as a last, so that we can introduce this team to you very well. They have started with us in 2017. Was very shaky at that time, what to do, what not to do, how do we start, how do we get on it, what are the rules and all. But they did it pretty well in 2017, and they were champion of 2018. So I would like to invite Team Sunrisers, Khurram and Abdul Jabbar Bhai, to please come over and say a few words. And guys, this is the champion team from last year, which is why we made them to come in the last, right? So very well done last year, and I believe they're gonna do very well this year. So before we start, so Khurram, 2017, right? You remember that?
Yeah.
Right? 2018, nobody can forget it, right? What is coming up in 2019?
Assalamu alaikum. Inshallah ta'ala, we are coming soon champion again. And we have defended our title that is the last year. And Sunrisers have a good wishes for every team. So inshallah ta'ala, let's see.
Inshallah. So, and then we have Team Abdul Jabbar. So Team Jabbar has been sponsoring Sunrisers since 2017 and been with us in number of other events as well. So I know Abdul Jabbar Bhai from the past, and they have been done very well. So Jabbar Bhai, what do you want to say? What do you think?
Assalamu alaikum and hello everybody. First of all, Naeem Bhai, I want to say something that is everybody has heard already. Whatever thing we see on the screen or maybe on the stage or in the ground, you know that it is easy, very easy to get entertainment from that. But it is very, very hard to manage that. Really. And its credibility go to Naeem Bhai. And also I want to say what the credibility is, any program you take it, people are looking for the sponsors and they cannot find the sponsor. And Naeem Bhai is, the forward and the sponsors are coming on the back to him that please take us. Please, can you give me applause for Naeem Bhai? Because it's a good achievement, very good achievement. Now I come to the point that when we started 2017, we were hoping to be champion, but Kulit came into between and he got
Mike,
the trophy.
you got it again.
Mike, sorry. Kulit team. Mike got the trophy. And that's okay, no problem, because it's a part of the game. And we tried our best in 18, and we got that championship with us. And now I hope that with the leadership of Khurram, mashallah, I'm very proud of him and his team as well. They are doing well, but it is a game. Again, it is a game, and we have to take it as a game. And we appreciate this community, this entertainment of the community, and we take it to the community as well as the healthy competition. And I hope that Khurram, with his hard work, we will keep the title with us. See you, buddy. Thank you.
Awesome. So just so you know, before Abdul Jabbar Bhai go, there is another sponsor for Team Sunriser, which is High Strength and Plates. And they've been with us with Team Sunriser for past 2 years as well. There is no representation here, but we just wanted to say that they are part of the Team Sunriser. So token of appreciation for you and Team Sunriser shirt. So if you'd like to show the shirt to the audience. All right, so this is Team Sunriser. Big round of applause, guys. All right, so yeah, here we go. Big round of applause to Khurram. He has done a great job last year. Okay, so thank you so very much, all of you. And this has been a pleasure to invite all of you here so that we can mingle together and at least to start our EOSCL event with the bank today. So there's a dinner is gonna serve in next 2 minutes. So please have some, enjoy the dinner, and then we'll see you in the opening ceremony coming Saturday. So just so you know, this Saturday we may see, because we are watching weather very closely, we may have, we are expecting rain this Saturday. So, but we have made some arrangements to have opening ceremony indoor. We'll let you know tomorrow that if the rain happens or rain still continues on Saturday at around 2 p.m. and I believe it's 5 to 10 centimeter of rain, which is millimeter of rain which is coming up. So what we are trying, we have already made some arrangements in indoor. That would be in EC Dury Gymnasium, just so you know. But we'll let you know by tomorrow if we are still at the ground or we are at ECDOE. So we are just watching the weather till tomorrow. So thank you so very much, guys. I would like to see all of you in the opening ceremony where we don't have only captains, but the full team will be coming in and will present in front of you as well. So thank you so very much. Really appreciate that. Enjoy your dinner. To request all captains to stay here because we need to distribute the shirts. So all captains, please stay here, and then we'll distribute the shirts to you.
This is Mohammad Khurram from Peak Producers Group, Century 21 Green Reality.
And this is Haris Nas from Peak Producer Group with Century 21 Green.
आज हम लोग यहाँ पर हैं बेसिकली द इवेंट ओंटारियो सॉफ्टबॉल क्रिकेट लीग की ओपनिंग सेरेमनी में. This is one of the biggest cricket leagues in the Ontario at the moment for the cricket, and we are very happy that we are the team of this event. We are sponsoring the team Cluet, and we are very hopeful that team Cluet will win this time.
We are very much excited that the Team Cluet will win, and we are there to support them and behind.
And I hope this event will be the biggest successful event in the history of Canada this year, because almost 17 teams are participating, and this is the biggest event of the Canada in future time as well. And in the end, let's go Raptors! Let's go Raptors!
This is Adil Farooq, barrister and solicitor from Adil Professional Corporation. आज आप देख रहे हैं कि हम OECL के क्रिकेट के जो टूर्नामेंट शुरू हो रहा है उसकी ओपनिंग सेरेमनी में हम लोग एक्चुअली इट्स नॉट ओपनिंग सेरेमनी लेकिन गेट टुगेदर है टीम के तमाम मेंबर्स का और जितने भी स्पॉन्सर हैं उनका. मैं नईम भाई और उनकी टीम को बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद देना चाहता हूं कि उन्होंने मिल्टन में और मिल्टन के इर्द गिर्द के एरियाज़ में और आई वुड से इन होल GTA उन्होंने क्रिकेट की जो गेम है उसको बहुत बूस्ट दिया है और वी आर प्राउड ऑफ हिम. और जब हम लोगों को देखते हैं यहाँ पे क्रिकेट के बारे में बात करते हुए आई पर्सनली फील वेरी हैप्पी क्योंकि हम लोगों ने ज़िंदगी में क्रिकेट बहुत खेला भी है और बहुत देखा भी है. और जब हम अपने इर्द गिर्द बच्चों को खेलते हुए देखते हैं और हम खुद भी उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं तो हमें भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. और ये क्रेडिट गोज़ टू नईम भाई एंड हिज टीम एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक नईम भाई एंड टीम. और मैं रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ एक्चुअली आई एम स्पॉन्सर कर रहा हूँ टीम एल्टन को और मेरी तमाम ख्वाहिशात दिली ख्वाहिशात मेरी टीम के साथ हैं कि वो इस गेम में अच्छा परफॉर्म करें और विन करें. बेस्ट ऑफ लक टीम एल्टन एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, गुड इवनिंग. मैं यहाँ ESL के क्रिकेट मैच के लिए यहाँ पे आया हूँ. स्पॉन्सर किया हुआ मैंने टीम Z को और इंशाल्लाह ताला लास्ट ईयर की तरह टीम Z will be the winner. They were the winners inshallah last year and inshallah we will take the cup. Or it's an amazing event. It's great event. You know, it is bringing communities together. It's bringing families together. And it's really good for our next generations to know the cricket, to know what is cricket all about. And this is a perfect platform for us to invite everybody else to come out and play with us.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. मेरा नाम बलीगुर रहमान है. हम EOSCL में टीम MSC की तरफ से खेल रहे हैं और हमारी टीम पिछले साल भी उन्होंने अच्छा परफॉर्म किया था और इस साल जो है फ़खर भाई जो हैं वो एज ए कैप्टन इस टीम को हेड कर रहे हैं और मैं एज ए मैनेजर. तो इंशाल्लाह इस दफ़ा हम अच्छा परफॉर्म करने की कोशिश करेंगे और अपनी डिवीज़न में टॉप पे आने की कोशिश करेंगे.
इस साल लास्ट ईयर की निस्बत इस साल हमारे पास बहुत अच्छे स्पॉन्सर हमारे अज़हर शेख हमारे स्पॉन्सर हैं. तो इन्होंने एज ए रियल एस्टेट एजेंट हमें स्पॉन्सर किया है. तो उम्मीद है कि इस साल स्पॉन्सर की वजह से हम अच्छी टीम बनाने में कामयाब हो गए हैं. तो इंशाल्लाह विल प्रोड्यूस गुड रिजल्ट्स इंशाल्लाह. तो आप कुछ कहना पसंद करेंगे?
शुक्रिया बहुत बहुत. सबसे पहले तो फ़खर भाई आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. मेरा नाम अज़हर है और मैं स्पॉन्सर हूँ टीम MSA का. फ़खर भाई का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कि उन्होंने अपॉर्चुनिटी दी कि टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस गुड बिग ह्यूज इवेंट. और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ और होपफुली अब पता ये चला है कि जो प्लेयर्स हमारी टीम में खेल रहे हैं वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं. तो होपफुली वी आर वेरी होपफुल कि इस दफ़ा कुछ हम अच्छा करेंगे. डेफिनेटली कोशिश करेंगे कि हम प्रॉबली शायद कब जीत लें. अच्छा कैप्टन साहब बताएंगे कि क्या
हम prediction नहीं करते लेकिन हम इंशाल्लाह अच्छा result produce करेंगे और we'll give our best and inshallah hopefully we will be on the podium और इंशाल्लाह हम जो है ना वो podium पे होंगे इंशाल्लाह.
Hi, my name is Amir Hamza. I'm a sales representative with Home Life. I'm a proud sponsor of the team, the Sports Guy. This is my first year sponsoring the team Sports Guys. We're really excited to be part of this wonderful event. I would like to congratulate Event Ontario for hosting such a wonderful event since 2016. I've recently heard that this event has been grown 100% since 2016 to 17 teams this year. We're very excited to be part of this event and looking forward to have a very good competition with all the other teams and looking forward to win this tournament. Go team sports guys, go!
Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to come next week, this Saturday at the Sherwood Community Cricket Pitch, where we kick off this season of the EOSCL. Who's going to win this year? Yeah!
Thank you so very much. It's been a pleasure to host all the sponsors and all the captains as part of USCL meet and greet session with media. That has been very overwhelming response what we have received today, and I really appreciate all your help and all the support which you have given it to us. Inshallah, from now onwards, you will see us at Toronto 360 every week, which will bring EOSCL news and EOSCL teams and sponsors and all that, which we're gonna bring it to you. And we'll have other sports as well. And the name of the program would be EOSCL Sports Roundup by Naeem Kiani. So I'll be hosting that program, and then we'll go from there. So thank you so very much for watching. Keep watching Toronto 360 and keep watching USCL. So, Assalamu alaikum. This is Naeem Kiani from USCL. We have done our meet and greet session with media today. It's been overwhelmed response what we have received. Almost all the team, their captains, their sponsor came in, and then we had a lot of fun together. So it was a great response what we have received so far. USCL is going to start this Saturday, which is June 15th. We'll have our opening ceremony in Milton, and from then onwards we'll have matches to be started from each Saturday and Sunday till September 28th. Program schedule and team schedule and match schedule will be given to you, and then you can go on our website eoscl.com, where you will find all of our schedule and how exactly we are going to play, which team will play against which team. So thank you so very much. I would like to thank Paramount Milton for them to help us hosting this event here. Ali Bhai has been tremendous help for us, and Toronto 360 for sure, because they have been part of one of our team along with Paramount as well. So Team Ali, that's what Toronto 360 and Paramount has been part of. So we are looking forward to have good matches in ESCL, and looking forward for you all to watch Toronto 360 and our program, which is going to start on Toronto 360, which will be USCL Sports Roundup, where we'll have USCL news and all other international and local news as well. So thank you so very much. This is Naeem Kiani signing off from now, and keep watching Toronto 360. Thanks.